I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Nissan Frontier. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe driving, ensuring you can see clearly and avoid blinding oncoming traffic. We'll cover the simple steps to get your beams perfectly aimed, using just a few basic tools you likely already have. Let's get started by preparing your vehicle and the adjustment area. First, find a level surface and park your Nissan Frontier with the front facing a wall. Measure exactly 25 feet from the wall to the front of your headlights. Now, turn on your low beams and use a piece of tape to mark the horizontal and vertical center of each headlight beam on the wall. This creates your reference points for adjustment. Next, open your hood and locate the headlight adjustment screws, typically found near the headlight assembly. There's usually one for vertical and one for horizontal adjustment. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the vertical screw to raise or lower the beam until its top edge is at or slightly below your marked line. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam. Once both headlights are adjusted, step back and observe the overall beam pattern on the wall. Ensure both beams are symmetrical and correctly aimed. Take your Nissan Frontier for a test drive on a dark, quiet road to confirm the adjustments provide clear visibility without dazzling oncoming drivers. If you're unsure, a professional can always help fine-tune them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.